This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition STT333 VMI is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 36 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, external shower, refrigerator, smoke detector, TV, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, LP detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front living area, kitchen island, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition STT333 VMI is 9,270 pounds. This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition STT333 VMI. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.